Right side shroud screws. One here, here, there. A couple of Phillips heads right here and right here. And looks like that's, we'll see where we go from there. Hidden shroud screw right there. Looks like it was kept in pretty good condition by all the acorns. And this one's giving me a little bit of trouble right there. Another hidden shroud screw right there. And one more hidden shroud screw right there. This one's still giving me trouble, but I don't think I need to take it off, because I think it just connects these two pieces together.